Mayong buntag mga kapaglaom, welcome to Health Beats. The heart is an organ that pumps blood throughout the body via the circulatory system, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the tissues and removing carbon dioxide and other waste. To keep your heart healthy and functional, follow this simple heart-healthy eating. Eat more fruits, vegetables, whole grains foods, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Eat less of fats, saturated fats, trans fats, and cholesterol. Limit the amount of red meats, sweets, and sweetened beverages, and cut back on salt. Specifically, include bell pepper in your daily meal. Studies revealed when bell pepper is used judiciously, it can reduce triglyceride and bad cholesterol levels, thus maintaining your heart healthy. This is Miss Laila reminding you, surely God is good to those who are pure in heart. Be healthy, it's a wise choice.
Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon would like to thank our brethren from Doha, Qatar for donating funds to purchase the broadcast play system. Mr. and Mrs. Joven Rada, Mr. and Mrs. Emerson Molina, Mr. and Mrs. Harvey Hermano, Mr. and Mrs. Arvin Prudente, Mr. and Mrs. Glenn Basa, Mr. and Mrs. Ray Villanueva, Mr. and Mrs. Jason Baculao, Mr. and Mrs. Chris Rumias, Mr. and Mrs. Edward Carandang, Mr. and Mrs. Elmer Aton, Mr. and Mrs. Leo Huarige, Mr. and Mrs. Esmen Suva, Brother Wealth de Los Angeles, Brother Alexander Fabillon, Brother Kirby Arveso, Brother Sherman Dumagin, Brother Nilo Benito, Brother Arvin Batilaran, Brother Norberto Rubio, Brother Jonathan Carpintero, Sister Joel Pinile, Sister Gladysel Angao,